My ultimate goal in my work here is to figure out what x is equal to, so that I can then use that to find the measure of these two angles. So in order to do that, I need to think about what I actually know and how I can use it to help me figure out the pieces I'm missing. For example, I noticed here that all of this together is equal to 180 degrees. So that means 18 here, and this angle, which is marked as a 90, and then this angle here that I don't know what it is. I'll just call it y. When I solve that, then, I end up with y plus, I'll add the 90 and the 18, and that's 108, and that's equal to 180. If I subtract 108 from each side, I find that that unknown mystery angle y is equal to 72 degrees. So I'm going to use that then to move on to the next stage of the problem. I notice that I have a straight line, and that straight line includes both the 72 that I just found and also the two angles that I'm really interested in because they have x's. So I'm going to write an equation for this. 5x plus 72, where I just found that in the part before, plus 4x, and all of that together, because that forms a straight line, will be equal to 180 degrees. I'll combine like terms. Both of these are x terms, so now I have 9x plus 72 equal to 180. I can solve this with inverse operations by subtracting 72 from each side. Those will cancel out. On the left-hand side, I'll have 9x, and on the right-hand side, when I subtract 72 from 180, I get 108. I will again use my inverse operations and divide each side by 9. I'm multiplying by 9, and so if I want the coefficient to be 1 for my variable, I should divide by 9. 108 divided by 9 is equal to 12. Now that I find what x is equal to, I can use that. I was looking first for the measure of angle CQA. The measure of angle CQA is defined, if we go back to our diagram, CQA is this angle here, which is defined as 5x. Now that I know what x is equal to, I can substitute 12 for x, and then I can multiply. 5 times 12 is 60. So the measure of angle CQA is 60 degrees.